Anybody? What is Snowflake?
It's a
What?
cloud data warehouse.
It's a cloud-based data
Data
warehouse.
warehouse.
Okay, so these basics are important. It's a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for data storage, then data processing and data analytics. Okay, so these are important. So Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for data storage purpose, data processing and data analytics. Okay, it is mainly for it's an analytical solution. Okay, so this is a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for storaging purpose, processing, okay, and analytic. Okay, it is used mainly for huge volumes of data. Now tell me in your perspective, what is huge volumes of data? How much volume you can say? Anybody can know, no? Like a GBs, MBs or GBs? How much volume you can say? Anybody can know? Huge volume in the sense like what? It will be like terabytes to petabytes of volumes. Okay, terabytes to petabytes of volume, it will handle easily. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, so Snowflake is used for handling huge volume, it can be terabytes to petabytes of volume, it will handle easily. So this is the way. Okay, now same thing. Now tell me what is OLTP and OLAP? Anybody knows, sir? OLTP and OLAP? Anybody tell me what is abbreviation for? So if you know this an answer, try to say it will be helpful for you. Okay, tell me.
Online analytical platform.
Come again.
Online analytical platform.
Okay, see, so OLTP is an online transaction processing. Okay, so what about OLAP? It's an online analytical processing. I'll give you example, you'll get to know. Okay, see, so see, OLTP is nothing but online transaction processing. OLP is nothing but online analytical processing. So simple use case is that suppose like I'll go for every time I do the same use case. See, I am okay, I'll go to the ATM. So my balance is 10,000. I withdraw 3,000. Okay, now what happened? Tell me my balance will be 7K. Now tell me the response will be immediate response or it will have some time. Tell me. So you'll get immediate response saying your balance is 7,000. Same thing now what happened? I go for online net banking. Okay, you see you get access. Okay, so net banking. Now what happened? Okay, I want to see last 5 years statement. Okay, statement. Now tell me the response will be immediate response or it will take some time. Anybody can evaluate response will be immediate response or it will take some time when compared this transaction. I just tell me. Yes, you should say the answer. Tell me. So response time will be immediate or it will take some time. It will take some time. Okay, so it will take some time. So reason is that what this is what data? This is historical data. But when it is this is what this is day-to-day transactions. So see day-to-day transactions. So day-to-day transactions can be stored in where? In the OLTP, that is database. Okay, you'll get to know. So same thing. This is historical data. Historical data where we are trying to store in the OLAP system. So OLAP system is nothing but to say data warehouse. Now seeing this one, tell me Snowflake is mainly for OLTP or OLAP side by seeing this use case. Anybody tell me? So seeing this use case, it's for OLTP or OLAP? OLAP. OLAP. See OLAP. So this is the point. Okay. See, remember one more time. So see, so Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse for mainly for analytical solution. Analytical solution is nothing but what's a current data plus historical data. Historical data in the sense like what 1 2 years, like 5 to 10 years. Okay, it will try to maintain the things. Okay, it is mainly for data storage purpose, processing, and analytics. It is an analytical solution. It can handle huge volumes of data without any use. Okay, so it can handle so terabytes to petabytes of volume. It can. So it's we should know OLTP and OLAP. Online transaction process. Nothing but say day-to-day transactions. Day-to-day transactions where you are trying to store in the database. Same thing, OLAP is nothing but say historical data. The current data plus historical data we are trying to store in the data warehouse. Now, see this use case, we can say Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for analytical solution. Got the point? Like this way, you can able to understand. So clear so far? So this is the same thing. Now tell me here, Snowflake is a SaaS model. It follows SaaS model. Anybody tell me what is SaaS abbreviation?
Software as a service.
Software as a service. What exactly it will do? Software as a service. Now tell me. What exactly it will do? Okay, so it is nothing but what? So see,
We'll
software
lend
as a go ahead.
like we are lending the software as a like we're lending software for
No
as
need
a
to
service.
install the
So
software.
see what happens here. What else I'll say you'll get. So no need to install any software, okay, or any hardware, okay. So the infrastructure, okay, see the infrastructure will be managed by the service provider, okay. We should pay. So see, simple thing, we should pay, okay, how much you are using, that much only we should pay. This is called a SaaS model. So Snowflake is a SaaS model. See here, no need to create any okay, so no need to install any software, just we should create account and we can able to access the things. Got the point us here. So point is that what here, no, so here Snowflake is a SaaS model. SaaS is nothing but what is here, just we are trying to create one account and we are trying to work on it, okay. So here mainly for what? So it's a pay as you go model. So pay as you go model in the sense like what, suppose I use for 1 hour, I should pay for 1 hour service. Same thing, I use for 1 terabyte wall storage, I should pay for 1 day. So this is nothing but, so SaaS model, pay as you go model, okay. So Snowflake is a SaaS model. When you see Oracle, say what happened, I should install some software or some hardware, but here what happened, no need to install any software or any hardware, okay. So let me conclude one more time. So see, points you should remember. So from day one you should understand what exactly discussed. So Snowflake is a what? It's a cloud-based data warehouse. Okay, it's mainly for what? It's a OLAP, and it's a SaaS model. SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Okay, these are the points you should remember. Okay, same thing in a similar fashion. This Snowflake is mainly for what? Data migration project. Okay, anybody tell me what exactly data migration project will do? This is important. So Snowflake is mainly used right now. So it is mainly for data migration purpose. We are trying to work it. Tell me what exactly data migration project will do. Anyone?
Data can be migrated from traditional warehouse to cloud-based warehouse.
Okay, see, so now what happens here? Data migration. So in the sense like what? So we are moving our data, okay, our data to from one data source to Snowflake. Okay, remember, so this is high level. If you're not able to, don't worry. Okay, sir. Okay, see, 1 second. I'm muting everyone. Okay, see. Now, see, this is a high level. Okay, so if you're not able to understand, don't worry. Okay, see, this is the thing. So, see, we are moving our data from one data source to Snowflake. Okay, see. Now, why companies are moving their data into Snowflake? Reason, anybody can able to tell us? So see, so Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. See, you can say it's mainly for data migration project. You should prepare like this. Okay, so data migration project. Now tell me, so why companies are moving their on-premises data to Snowflake? What's the reason? Anybody? Main purpose is that what? Anybody can able to tell us? What? See, mainly for what? So see, mainly for, so see, we are having huge volumes of data. Okay, huge volumes of data. Okay, or the performance support, like see, simple thing I'll try to give. I'm having one phone is there. It's having 128 GB storage is there. Now it's now with the help of like photos and videos, it consumes 120 GB storage. Now tell me the performance will be what? It will be fast, it will be slower, the phone of the performance. It consumes like almost like 120 GB. Now question is that what the performance will be faster, performance will be slower? Tell me.
Slower.
Tell me.
Performance will be slower.
Slower, because now what happens? So almost like memory increases. Now what happens? So see, this performance will be slower. Same thing now what happens? So that's why. So we want to move these huge volumes of data. So because of performance, okay, and because of cost cutting, no, so every companies are moving their data from on-premises to Snowflake. If anybody has to know why the companies are moving their data to Snowflake, because of huge volumes, because of performance, because of cost cutting, because of security reasons. Okay, see that every companies wants to move their data from on-premises to Snowflake. Okay, see now here what are the data sources in the sense like what? Tell me, data sources in the sense like what? It can be Oracle database. Tell me anybody what databases we are having in the market? Oracle database, then
MySQL, MS SQL.
MySQL. So MySQL, then okay, see SQL Server, then Teradata. That's it. There's so many data.
PLSQL.
Okay, see. So PLS is the programming language. Okay, see Oracle database, MySQL, SQL Server, Postgre, then Greenplum, then that's it. So Amazon Redshift. Okay, so
SAP
there's
HANA.
Netezza. Okay, SAP HANA. Okay,
SAP
then
HANA.
okay, SAP HANA. Okay, there's so many data. Okay, see now what happened. So this data, okay, they want to move to Snowflake. So why they want to moving? Why they're trying to move? What is the reason? Because of why? The performance improvement, okay, the cost cutting, okay, the security reason, okay, and we can able to easily scalability. So scalability, I'll try to show you one thing. So this we'll see later point of time. I'll try to give high level data. See warehouse. Now see, go for any warehouse. See what happened. Okay, just see we can able to increase the size. So this is nothing but it's a scalability. Okay, so vertical scaling. Okay, so we can easily so scalability purpose, cost cutting, and huge volumes. Okay, huge volumes we can able to go for. Okay, see this Snowflake. Simple thing. Suppose like see what happened. This phone is there. I say no phone is there. Okay, now tell me. Suppose like I want to get more space. What I should do? I should move it to the cloud. Now G Drive. Okay, so Google Drive we can have same thing. Now what happened? The historical data, because of huge volumes, the company wants to move this data to what? To move to the Snowflake. Okay, so data migration. So one more time. So Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse. It's an OLAP solution, analytical solution. It's a SaaS model. No need to install any software or any hardware. So just to create account and we can able to work it done. And it's mainly for data migration project. So we are moving the data from one data source to Snowflake. So why the companies are moving? Because of performance, cost cutting, security, scalability purpose, and ease of maintenance. We can able to ease of the things we can able to get it done. Okay, so this is the because of all this reason, company wants to move their data from one on-premises to Snowflake or cloud to Snowflake. Now see what exactly you are saying, like data migration. Okay, see, so data migration nothing but what? Moving the data. Moving the data. Now what type of data we are trying to move? This is important. So you're saying like moving data. Now data is stored what type of data we are trying to move? What type of data? Tell me. Data will be stored in the form of what? In database, in the form of
Tables.
so tables, so views. The logic will be written in the functions and the procedures. Okay, so this is important. Now see, I'll try to explain. Okay, in real time we'll have the phases will be there. Phase 1, so phase 2, phase 3. So multiple phases. In the first phase, we'll try to migrate the tables. In the second phase, we'll try to migrate the views. In the third phase, we are trying to migrate the logic, the functions and procedures. Okay, see procedures. Okay, see the same thing. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Now tell me how. So you are saying like data migration project. Okay, how long you can say? Tell me how long, like 1 month, 2 months. Anybody can able guess how much? How long the project will be? 1 month, 2 months. Anybody can able get how long the duration of the project? Any guess? Month. Okay, see, like it will be 1 to 3 years, depends on the project. Okay, so it will take 1 to 3 years. Okay, because now what happened? Tell me how many tables approximately? 10, 20 tables, approximately. So see, you're saying like, okay, data migration, tell me. So it's a huge volume, not 10, 20 tables. It will be like 500 to 3,000 plus tables will be there. Okay, so depends on the process. This much volumes, like you said, like so 30 to 100 terabytes of volume. So this much volumes it occupy 500 to 3,000 plus tables. So remember, if you have less volume, we don't go for Snowflake. When you have huge volumes only, we will go for Snowflake. Okay, see 500 to 3,000 plus tables. Okay, see, so 300 plus views. Okay, so 300 plus views. And okay, see 200 plus functions and procedures. So these are the approximate value. Okay, so because so when you have huge volumes only, we'll go for so data migration. Less values like GBs, no, then we should go for Snowflake won't come into picture. When you have huge volumes only, we'll go for, and migration project will long for what? So 1 to 3 years. What exactly we are trying to migrate? We are trying to migrate the tables, so views, functions, and procedures. So simple use cases I'll try to give. Suppose like what happened? I am ABC company, ABC car sales CEO. Okay, I'm the owner of the company. Okay, sales. My company is there in India. It is there in US. It is there in UK. So see, remember so I'm the car sales owner. Now my car sales productions are there in India branch, US branch, and UK region. Now in the India, it is having 50% share. Okay, it is there in Oracle database. Let me give you a simple use case, Oracle database. Same thing in US, I'm having 30% share. Okay, and it is there in SQL server. Okay, or SAP HANA systems. Okay, same thing in in 20% sale in flat files. Okay, see, file format is there. Okay, now tell me, I want to see, suppose like 2023, I want to see my business. Okay, now tell me, so in 2020, how to get the business? Tell me, I can do separately. No, now we want to bring all this data to one place. Now how to bring all this data? With the help of what? With the help of Snowflake. Now we are taking all this 150% data and we are dumping into 100% into Snowflake tables for the point. This is simple use case. See, I'll try to show you the image. So this is important. Listen a little bit. Okay, see. Okay, so project will be like this only. See, so my data source is, it is in files, it is in Oracle database, it is in SAP HANA. So this is the data source. This data I want to move to Snowflake. Tell me why I want to move. What's the purpose of moving? The company wants to move. Why company wants to move their data? Tell me.
Performance or setting.
So performance purpose, because see what happened, separate data is there, but I want to do analysis. Now tell me, can I do separately? No, we'll do separately, but what happened, I want to do my company data, I want to bring into one place. This is called as what? So this is called as data migration. See, so we want to bring all this data from here to Snowflake, because what happened, I want to do analysis, I can't able to separate. That's why I want to dump all this data, or I want to ingest all this data into Snowflake. So this is the ways we can able to do here. And remember here, Snowflake supports multi-clouds. Okay, this is important. Okay, see, Snowflake supports multi-cloud. We'll see the same thing as I now understand. Supports AWS, it supports Azure, and it supports GCP. We can able to bring the data from S3, AWS. We can able to bring the data from AWS. From Azure, we can able to get it done. Okay, so same thing. Let me show you one more time. Okay, see, we are trying to bring data from different sources. Okay, this is called as data migration, moving the data from different sources and putting into Snowflake. And what type of data we are trying to migrate? Tell me. What type of data we're trying to migrate? The tables, the views, the logic, the processors, and the functions. Suppose like, see, this is Oracle database. Let me show you one thing. Okay, see, this is Oracle database. Here, what happens? Suppose like I'm having one table. So this table, what happened? I want to bring into Snowflake. How can I bring this? Nothing but it's a data migration. So my data is there here. We are trying to bring this data and we are dumping into Snowflake. This is called as data migration. So see here, Snowflake supports multi-cloud. Now see what happens. So this is nothing but say data pipeline. Okay, tell me what is purpose of normal pipe? Normal pipe purpose? Normal pipe purpose, anybody? To flow of water. Same thing in a similar fashion. What is data pipeline? What will be flow? So data is moving from one database to Snowflake. Okay, see, so remember, as before that, tell me what is our role after completion of this course? What role or job profile we will apply? Job profile or job role? Tell me which role we should apply. Anybody? Tell me why is on the course? Tell me after completion of this course, which profile you should apply? Anybody tell me?
Any cloud domains,
So yes, Snowflake,
data
Snowflake developer. Okay, after completion of this course, we'll go for Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer profile we should apply. So do Snowflake data engineer. Okay, see, Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer profile we should apply. So before that, tell me, so in a project, we'll have only one person will be there in a project. Tell me, multiple team members will be there. And who are the team members? From day one, you should understand what are the team members and what is my role. Tell me, what are the team members? Any idea? So these are the basic things. Tell me, anybody knows? So what are the team members will have?
developer.
So developer. So Snowflake developer, Snowflake admin guy will be there. Snowflake architect guy will be there. So testing or QA team. So these are the basic points, but these are very, very important. QA team. Okay, then. So BA is nothing but say business analyst team, business analyst. Okay, what is BA? It's a business intelligence. Okay, intelligence. Okay, so team lead. Okay, so project manager, the client. So these are the guys will be there. Okay, see now what is our role? We should go for what is our role from this thing? So we should go for Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. So these are the basic things. Okay, so in a project there'll be multiple team members, around 8 to 10 people there. So developer guy, admin guy, architect, testing team, analyst guy. So these are the things will be there. Okay, but our role is what? Our role is Snowflake developer. Okay, see Snowflake. Okay, so what is the role or job profile? It says Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. So after completion of this course, we should apply for developer profile or data engineering profile. Got the point? Now same thing. Now what happened? Tell me what I say now. So see, we want to bring all this data to Snowflake. Now whose responsibility is this thing? This is our responsibility as a part of Snowflake developer. So see, as a part of Snowflake developer. So we need to bring the data from different data sources. Okay. And okay, see, and put into Snowflake. Now, how can I bring? We should create what? Multiple data pipelines. Got the point? So see, this is our job. Okay, as a part of Snowflake developer, so we want to ingest the data from different sources with the help of data pipelines. We should create data pipelines. Got the point? See, as a part of Snowflake developer, we should bring data from different sources and tell me only bring up. Now what happened? We bring all this data to Snowflake. Suppose like I bring all the 100, suppose like 100% tables and 1,000 tables we migrated. Now what happened? We bring next what happened? I want to communicate with the Snowflake. Tell me how can I communicate with the Snowflake? Which console come into picture? Tell me how can I communicate with any database or in data warehouse based on which concept? SQL is nothing but say structured query language. What the purpose of it is used to communicate with the database. It will act as a bridge between. So bridge between what? Bridge between user and Snowflake. Now what happened with the help of SQL? What happened? I should do the transformation. Now suppose like see what happened. I bring all the tables. One table is having. So see suppose like sales is having 1 million records are there. Now tell me in the table 1 million records we can't able to understand. Now what happened? We should do the transformations. How can you do the transformations? Tell me with the help of what? With the help of what? So see SQL you should know all this concept. What is concept? Okay, see the filtering concept, null handling, aggregate function, analytical function. So these are the concepts you should remember. Okay, see, so these are very so because now we are bringing data to Snowflake. Now with the help of SQL we are doing the transformation. What transformation will go for? Will go for aggregate function, null handling. So duplicate remove. Okay, see then what happens? So see then ultimately what? Ultimately we should create so views. Now views will be given by BI people. What they will do? They'll try to create the dashboards. I'll explain one more time. See, we are bringing all this data from different sources and put into Snowflake. Now what happened with the help of SQL? So by using what SQL is nothing but what structured query language with the help of aggregate function, analytical function, joins handling, null handling. Now what happened? We are trying to transform the data and we are trying to create views and we should go to what? Go to the consumption layer. So now what are these things? Tell me what are these things? Tableau, Power BI are what? Called as what? What are these things? Tell me.
Data visualization.
So it's a visualization tool or BI business or a reporting tools. Ultimately bringing the data and we should do and what happened this BI guys what they try to do? They try to create the dashboard. See ultimately what they are trying to bring the data and they are trying to visualize the data like this. You see the same thing. Now what happened? See. Okay, see we are bringing now see what happened we can able to say in the 2019 to 2020. So see we are having this much sales. Okay, see this much sales we are having. Okay, iPhone, MacBook is having most sales. Okay, see top 10 products and these are total sales. How can do all this thing by using which concept? Tell me with the help of SQL concept, that is aggregate functions, analytical functions. This is what group by daytime, group by sales. Okay, this is what group by city. So this is what group by product. Got the point? This is sum function, count function, average function. These are the aggregate function, analytical function. How can I do all this with the help of this SQL concepts? Remember, so if you have SQL, we can able to easily understand the aggregate function, analytical. Ultimately, what bringing the data from different sources. And what I should do? I should do the transformation with the help of SQL. Ultimately, I should create the views and give to the BA people. BA people, what they'll try to create the dashboards, and what happen ultimately? Who required ultimately what? So this which guy ultimately, okay, the CEO or the clients or the stakeholders, they can able to see the data. Now tell me why they want to. So reason is that tell me why they want to see the results, why they want to maintain the historical data, why they want to maintain historical data. Reason is that what? Tell me what is the reason why the companies wants to maintain historical data.
To improve their business.
So see, by now tell me, suppose like I'm getting today 10 cars has been sold. Now tell me, can I assume today profit or no? Okay, how can I compare now? I want to compare previous year's data. Okay, so 2021, how much profit? 2022. So in the last 5 years, how much sales I got, whether I got the less profit or more profit. Now, how can I get this data by comparing the previous data? So that what, suppose like see the same use case. Okay, now see here what happened in the, okay, see in the which month, in the, okay, November month, we are, so in the July month, we are getting less sales. Now what happened? We need to understand why this is having less sales. Okay, we need to go back and we can able to track. Now ultimately what? Ultimately I can able to improve the strategy so that I can able to improve my business. Okay, ultimately what? So this data is for mainly for future forecasting. Okay, future forecasting or future prediction. Okay, or to improve the business. How can I improve the business? With the help of previous compiled data, I can able to check my business. Okay, see, so that's why what we want to maintain the historical data. So by this, what happen? I can able to do campaign so that I can. So ultimately, every company wants business. They want to improve their business. They want to get the profit. How can you get the profit? They want to compare the previous data. So they want to make a strategy so that within one year, 2 years, we can't. That's why we need to compare the previous historical data. Same thing. Suppose like now, tell me why I want 5-year statement. Suppose like I went to the bank. Okay, so see, I went to the online banking. Now what happened? I want to see last 5-year statement. Tell me why I want to see last 5-year statement. What is the purpose of seeing the statement? Any reason? Anybody tell me? So suppose like this is the statement. Okay, what is the purpose of seeing the statement? Generally, why you see the statement?
Transactions and all.
So see transactions. Why I want to see like in the last year, how much I got, how much I how much I earned, how much I spent. So by this we can able to understand. So last year I got some discrepancies because of it. So next year I want to improve. Like I want to improve the savings. Same thing what happened. Company also wants to improve their business by comparing with the previous data. That's why in on-premises what happened. So see data keep on growing. When data keep on growing, what happened? Tell me this performance will be degraded. That's why this historical data. Remember, so today some data, what happened after 1 year? Data will be keep on growing because population is going on. What happened? Data will be keep on growing. When keep on growing, what happened? This cannot able to handle huge volumes of data, and our data is in different sources. That's why we are taking this data from different sources and we are dumping into Snowflake. This is called as data migration project. Now we are dumping data. Now what I should do? I should do the transformations. How can transformation with the help of this? All the SQL concept, the CTS concept with class pattern matching, okay, regexp, so string functions. These are the concepts we should remember. Okay, so got the point. So because we'll use regular these concepts, okay, see aggregate function. Because now ultimately, if you see this image, so we want to create a view and we should give the Power BI. What they will do? They will try to give the things done. Okay, remember as a part of Snowflake developer. So what exactly will do? Tell me. Snowflake developer. So we are trying to create the data pipelines. Tell me why you want to create data pipelines? Tell me why we want to create data pipelines? Tell me. So we need to bring the data for the flow of data from different sources. From different sources, I want to bring into Snowflake. Okay, so you got the point. And only tell me data, only data pipelines. Is there anything we should do? What's our role? Okay, only data pipelines building. Data pipelines building or creation. Only we'll do this thing only. Is there any other job we'll work from? Tell me. Okay, see this thing, tell me only if we are building only this thing. Is the thing we are performing? Now that's it. See what happened. So we created data pipelines. Now what happened? We should do the validation. So see, suppose like in Oracle table, suppose like I try to from Oracle table. In Oracle table, there are 100 records are there. Now what happened with the help of data pipeline? Data pipeline. What happened? I bring into Snowflake table. Now here 90 records are there. That's it. I will leave it as it. Tell me what you should do. Now tell me 10 records are
Data
missing or not.
validation.
So see, we should do
Validate.
so data validation also. Then what happened? So so tell me data is there 100 records? Now suppose like I did data validation. Now we got to rectify the issue. Now 100 records are. Now tell me data is there in tables. Now tell me, can we understand? No. What we should do? We should do the data transformation. How can the transformations tell me? Tell me how can the transformation? With the help of SQL. So SQL is nothing but aggregate function, analytical function. So now tell me tables, only single tables is there in real time. There will be multiple tables with there. Now tell me how to get multiple tables. Go for what concept? Go for joins concept will continue picture. The case statement, the conditions, sometimes will get null values, sometimes will get the duplicate. So these are the jobs we'll do. This done by the Snowflake developer. Ultimately, what we should create the views. Okay, so here we are having normal views concept is there, materialized views concept is there, secure views concept. So these all things will be discussed later point of time. So see, so data pipelines, data validation, data transformations, case statement, null handling, duplicates, and ultimately we should create the views. And who will go to them? To the Power BI guys. Now what they will do? They'll try to develop these things. What the point of seeing? So see, this is the work. Okay, so data pipelines building, data validation, data trans. Sometimes what do we need to automate some process? Okay, so we need to automate the process. What is automate process? Tell me, what is automation? Anybody knows, sir? What exactly automation will do? Any idea? Anyone? Automation.
Give the logic. You give the logic and
Like so instead of suppose like say suppose like every day I'm doing some one task every day. Suppose like every day at 11 a.m. I am doing one task. So like instead of doing manually, what happen? I need to automate this process with the help of task and procedures concepts. Okay, what the point of see? This is the things we need to do. Okay, what the point of see? So instead of doing manually, what happened? We need to create one procedure, and with the help of task, we can able to schedule for automation. So instead of going for manual activity, we can go for the things done. So this is automation process. Got the point? So this is the way you can able to make it working. Clear so far? So this is the thing. Okay, see, instead of going for every time the same thing, we can go for multiple things. Got the point? Yes or no? So this is the thing. One more time, we'll try to conclude. Okay, see, Snowflake is a what? Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for data storage, data processing, and data, and it is mainly for OLTP, and it's a SaaS model. What is SaaS? One more time, tell me what is SaaS?
Software as a service.
Software as a service. Okay, no need to install any software or any hardware. Just to create account and we can able to work it done. Okay. Now it's a pay as you go model. Pay as you go model in the sense like what? Okay, see here we are having so storage cost and computation cost. Okay, so computation nothing but processing. Okay, see, so storage nothing but okay, our storage, the table storage. Okay, see, so see if you are using for 1 terabytes of storage, you will pay for 1 terabyte. If you are using for 1 hour, you should pay for 1 hour. Okay, same thing. Snowflake is mainly for data migration projects. See, same thing. Now what happened? In real time, this project will be same only. It can be different source, it can be different cloud. Snowflake supports AWS, Azure, and GCP. Suppose like the simple thing I'll try to show. Now suppose like what happened? Okay, see, AWS control. Now see, our data is in cloud. From cloud, what happened? We can able to bring the data from different sources. See, so this should know. Okay, we'll see the same thing. We can able to done. Okay. Okay, here we need to. So our data will be there in in AWS S3 bucket. From S3 bucket, we should bring the data and we need to process into Snowflake. This is the thing. Or else like this, remember Snowflake supports. See, simple thing. So these are the features. Okay, see, go back here, go to projects. Okay, go to any value. Okay, now see. Okay, so go for any database, any table. So this is the snow site UI. Okay, so we should work in the same thing. Okay, see. Now click on this value. So click on this table. Now see, click on this value. So browse. Take any. I'll try to show one thing. Just okay, see. ABC. Open. Now see, go for next. Now see, here Snowflake supports the structured data as well as semi-structured data. It can able to process structured data as well as so JSON, Parquet, Avro. So Snowflake supports. Okay, see what happens. Snowflake supports semi-structured data also. You can able to process. This is nothing but what supports JSON format, Parquet format, Avro, ORC, or structured the CSV way, comma separate value, tab separate value, pipe separate. So these things we can able to get it done in the Snowflake. Okay, so it supports. So it supports what? It supports okay structured data as well as semi-structured data. Same thing. Suppose like see same thing. Just now I said no. Go to database. Okay, so go to schema. Now what happens? So see now see Snowflake supports multi-cloud. We can able to get data from AWS, Azure, or GCP. So see we can able to get data from any cloud. Amazon services, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and the GCP. We can able to get data from different sources, and we can able to see. We want now this is what AWS. So we are trying to bring data from different sources, put into Snowflake, do the transformations, do the validation, and create view and go to the consumption layer. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now see the same. This is the way we can able to get. And our role will be Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. In a project, there will be multiple team members. What are the team members we're having in a project? Okay, see. Okay, developer, testing, okay, see admin guy, architect guy, BA people, team leader, client. Okay, now see this is so we are having the US client will be there, UK client project, European client, Singapore client, sometimes India client. Okay, see, so these are the things we can able to work it in a project. Okay, see, mainly for data migration. So this is important. If you understand this flow now, the project is simple only. So data is there here, just suppose like my data is there in Oracle database. Okay, see. So here what happened here, we are having the tables are there. So views are there, procedures are there, and functions are there. Now what happened, we should take this data, same data, and so see remember in Snowflake, some concepts won't support. Then what happened, we should take them and we need to remember. Suppose like see the same thing. Suppose like see here one, this is the table. Now if we go here, what happened, this is the statement. Now if we take as it is and if we try to it won't work. We should do some transformation. Same thing, we're having the procedure. So this is the procedure I want to migrate to Snowflake. But what happened in Snowflake, some concepts, see this is not there. Now what happened, we should take the same thing and we should tweak them. Remember, so migration nothing but what already code is there in one database. But what happened, according to the Snowflake standard, we should migrate them and we should deliver them and we should do the unit testing. So this is nothing but data migration project. Already the code is already there. So see tables will be there, views, just we should convert into Snowflake standards and we should do the testing and go to the BI people. So see bringing data pipeline, do the validation, do the testing and do the transformation with the help of aggregate function, analytical function, with the help of joins, ultimately create views, metalize views, secure views. Okay, see this is nothing but data loading. We are trying to load data from different sources into Snowflake with the help of copy statement, Snowpipe external table, and we are trying to do the consumption layer. Ultimately, the company wants to see the data not in the tables in the form of visualization. How can you give visualization with the help of so dashboards? How dashboards are creating with the help of views. Now views are built on tables, but tables are there here. It's a simple thing. Okay, let me show you reverse process. We can able to get up in. Now what happens? See, company wants to see the dashboards. Now if you want to get dashboards, what should be there? So views should be there. If you want to get views, what should be there? Tables should be there. Tables are there on premises. Now what happened, we should bring the tables and we should migrate them to the Snowflake. So this is the process. See, bringing data from different sources and put into Snowflake. This is called as data migration process. Got the point? Able to follow? So this is the thing. Okay, see, we can go for different sources, we can put into Snowflake, we can able to get it done. So this is the flow. Okay, see, data migration process. So why companies are moving, you should select mainly for cost cutting, performance purpose. Okay, huge volumes. Okay, see, and security, easily scale. We can able to process huge volumes of data. So without any issues, we can able to make it working. Got the point? And also so far.